Hi all, and welcome to the Optimist Late Summer Championships. This is the competitor briefing for the main fleet. Regatta fleet, you will have a separate in-person briefing at 10 o'clock on Saturday morning. So my name is James Ripley. I'll be your PRO for this weekend. As with many of your previous events, most of the information for this event is online. This includes a online official notice board which can be accessed via the link shown on screen. On this ONB you'll find all of the documentation you should need, including the major event instructions, the MEIs. These include most of the standard race instructions that are consistent from event to event, and the supplementary sailing instructions for the main fleet and the regatta fleet. These documents are just a page each, and they include the specific information for this event only. So, for example, the location of the signal mast and the mark colours and so forth. Also on the official notice board, there is a link to our online protest form. All protests are to be submitted this way, please. There'll be no paper protest forms. Could I ask also that you please make sure to download Telegram. This is a messaging app similar to WhatsApp. We've got two groups that we'll be using, one of which is a broadcast only group for the race committee to send out messages to competitors. The second is a group which anyone can post in, which is for inquiries. We'll be also using this second group for registration. So registration is via Telegram for this event. The links to join these two groups can be found in the MEIs. In the major event instructions, you can find the course diagrams. This is the particular course we're using for this event. So it's a trapezoid course with a reaching finish. We'll also be flighting you for this event, so you'll be each assigned a colour group. The ribbons will be available to collect on Saturday morning. If you've not done one of these events before, these courses can look quite daunting, but just study it carefully. Once you've given it a go once, it's actually quite straightforward. If you're unsure about anything, please just do ask somebody before the event. When it's not your start, i.e. if you're the second start group during the start sequence of the first start group, just please make sure to keep well clear of the starting area. That should be downwind of the start line. So we've got two options for prep signals for this event, uniform and black. If you're not familiar with these, please check them out in the Racing Rules of Sailing. Effectively, both of them mean that if you're in the triangle created by the start line and mark 1 within the last minute before the start, then you are disqualified. So please be careful of that. The last thing to mention is that race 1 for both the main fleet and the regatta fleet count towards Bart's Bash. Now you don't need to do anything different. You've all already been entered as part of your entry fee. We will just be submitting the results to Bart's Bash on your behalf. So if you have any questions, please submit them via Telegram. Otherwise, I'll see you all on Saturday morning.